I always go on, guys. We're gonna attempt.
Hold on, I'm making my kid video.
Blow off some firecrackers inside the tanks you get like at any corner store. So we got some firecrackers and we put them together and we're gonna attempt to see how far we can actually get them to blow up and see what they do. But make sure if you do want to try this and you're a kid, make sure you have an adult or a parent nearby. I'm 27 years old, so I'm.
And his dad is right there.
Well, like I said, I'm 27, so I'm practically an adult.
Well, what's the number?
So if I blow off my hands, it's my fault or somebody else's. But I recommend trying to put an adult. So here we go. We're gonna.
5, 4,
Back up.
3, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, there you go. Now, it worked the way you think it would.
Back up.
Oh man, the tanks aren't. Just...
Oh!
There you go.
Oh!
Oh man! See, that's the end, guys.
I'd see that's gone.
Make a little short video.
Mom's getting mad, dude.
We just make a
And
little.
that's what's left of them. You put the firecrackers in there, it's nice to see. They kind of got demolished. You see?
If you guys
Now remember, don't do it without adult supervision.
If
Yeah.
you guys join
If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And we're going to be doing a bunch more stuff like over like the 4th of July season and stuff. So make sure you guys do stay tuned to the video. That being said, I'm out of here. Peace.